Hey guys, thanks for coming to check out another video. So today is a crochet tutorial. So today I'm trying out the Bohobabe pre-twisted passion twist in 14" and this is a bundle pack, and in the bundle you're gonna get 8 packs of hair, and in each bundle of the 8 you're gonna have 11 twists. So if you guys want to check out this hair, I will leave links down below to where you can grab it. This hair came super fast and it is available on Amazon as well. The hair that I'm rocking right now is the Tropical Deep Wave wig in Marrakesh in 26 inches, and that is available on my website, which is GLEEmade.com. So the braid pattern that I used is my individual illusion braid pattern. It's where I use box braids, and then I braid them into a cornrow and braid the back of my head into cornrows as well. If you guys want a tutorial on how I do this braid pattern to achieve this illusion crochet look, I will link a video above and down below, and I have several videos for my illusion individual braid pattern. This is an old braid pattern. I did use it for other crochets. I love this braid pattern because it is very intricate. You can use it over and over again if you have more than one set of twists you want to try out, and it works for all locks and twist looks. So I really like the quality on these twists. They're so shiny and lustrous looking. That's what I love about these twists. They're lightweight and super bouncy and just really shiny and just have this really healthy shine about them. And I really like that about these twists. And they're just so juicy looking. Like, I just love them. I wanted to do twists like this, but I thought I would have to twist the hair myself. Like, I'd have to figure out what hair to use and do the individual twists myself. But I love that these are pre-done for you, and they're just so easy to install, and they look great and super uniformed, and I don't have to twist them myself. Like, it's saving me time and looking amazing. This whole style took me less than an hour to do. Now, of course, if I wasn't reusing the braid pattern that I already had, it probably would have taken me about 2 hours, but that's still really fast, you guys. So again, you're just going to install these as you normally would on the illusion braid pattern. You basically just install one twist on each box braid, and then you're going to install one twist in between each of the box braids, and that's going to give you the coverage you need over top of the cornrow section. So again, you're just going to install one twist in each box, and then you're going to go back and fill in a twist in each area that you didn't have a crochet, just to cover up the cornrow area. And then in the front 2 boxes, you are going to do a regular individual crochet twist. So you're going to intertwine your own hair into the twist just by pushing, your crochet needle through the twist and pulling your hair into it. So hopefully that makes sense. It's going to be visible as well in the video, so you can just check that out. I'm going to stop talking, let you guys watch what I'm doing, and I'll be back with my final thoughts on this hair. So that's the whole front of my head finished. I went ahead and did the front first because that's the most important area to get done, and I wanted to make sure I had enough. So then I went ahead and started doing the back. Now I usually place the twist 2 finger widths apart, but I kind of forgot to do that, so I messed up my spacing a little bit in the back and I ran out of hair. I probably could have used one more small bundle of hair to complete this look, but I just made it work. I absolutely love this hair. Just to give you guys my final thoughts, I've been wearing the hair for about 3 days now, and I've gotten so many compliments on it. It's so lightweight and it's literally the perfect length. Like, I love the way the place that the twists are falling. I've been wearing them up in like a mini bun at the top of my head and in a ponytail, and I absolutely love it. It's so cute, perfect for the summertime, but I mean, you could also easily wear this in the fall as well. Installing it on this braid pattern, I feel like, is definitely the best option. So yeah, that's where I had some hair left over, so I feel like one more bundle would have been perfect. So if you order this, maybe order 2 if your head is a little bigger than mine. I do have an average size head, well, small to average size head. So yeah, if you have a larger size head, I would definitely say order 2 just to be safe. So you guys, ultimately this hair is definitely a win for me. It's just beautiful, bouncy, luscious, easy to style and easy to install. The loops are a great size to install and it just looks really beautiful, curly, fun style. I feel like it's good for all ages. Younger girls, you know, women of all ages can look beautiful and slay in this hair, and I absolutely do recommend it. So I'll leave links down below to where you can grab some Bohobabe twist for yourself, and if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll be sure to get back to you guys. Make sure you're following me on Instagram at Jess Monique Thomas. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and please give this video a thumbs up, like the video, and share it. I absolutely love this braid pattern. I know I say it every time, but it's so flawless. It's so easy to do, and it gives you such great parting spaces and options for wearing your hair. I've seen a lot of these illusion individual crochet braid patterns, but I really feel like this one is the best one because you really do get that individual box braid type of look that I really love, because it really does show the box all the way around, and that's why I feel like this braid pattern is the best. So let me know if you guys have tried it or are willing to try it. I'd love to see you guys' results. I'm gonna keep pushing and working on it so that it gets better and better for you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Share this video with a friend, share it with a crochet lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.